Please tell. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Jai Jagannath. Jai Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namah. আমি আজি এডগাৰ ফয়নাৰক আমি হিন্দু নামাকৰণ কৰি শংকৰদেৱৰ নামাকৰণ কৰি শংকৰদেৱৰ ধৰ্মত দীক্ষিত কৰি শ্ৰী কৃষ্ণ শংকৰ ভকত হিচাপে নামাকৰণ কৰি কৃষ্ণশৰণ ভকত হিচাপে আমি তেখেতক নামাকৰণ কৰি আমি তেখেতক আমাৰ শংকৰদেৱৰ ধৰ্মত দীক্ষিত কৰালোঁ আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে তেখেতে এখন চাৰ্টিফিকেট বিচাৰিছে যিখন চাৰ্টিফিকেট আমাৰ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱ আমাৰ যি
আমাৰ জগতগুৰু মহাপুৰুষ শ্ৰীমন্ত শংকৰদেৱৰ প্ৰৱৰ্তিত নৱবৈষ্ণৱ ধৰ্মই আজি বিশ্বত প্ৰসাৰ ল'বলৈ আৰম্ভ কৰিছে। আজি আমাৰ এই ঐতিহ্যমণ্ডিত কলিয়াবৰৰ শ্ৰী শ্ৰী বালি সত্ৰত এজন ৰাছিয়াত জন্মগ্ৰহণ কৰা ইজৰাইলী নাগৰিক এডৱাৰ্ড ফাইনাৰক আজি আমাৰ শ্ৰী শ্ৰী বাগৱত নাম ধৰ্মত তেখেতক শৰণ দিয়া হয় আৰু তেখেতক নতুনকৈ কৃষ্ণচৰণ ভকত নামেৰে নামাকৰণ কৰি তেওঁক আমাৰ এই গুৰু ধৰ্ম আগবঢ়োৱা হৈছে আৰু ব্যক্তিজনৰ লগত আমি যোগাযোগ কৰি গম পাইছিলোঁ যে তেওঁ ইতিমধ্যে বহুতো ধৰ্ম পৃথিৱীৰ প্ৰৱৰ্তিত সকলো ধৰ্মক অধ্যয়ন কৰিছে, গৱেষণা কৰিছে আৰু তাৰ পিছত এটা নিজেই মনত সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছে যে গুৰুজনাৰ প্ৰৱৰ্তিত শংকৰদেৱৰ এই নৱবৈষ্ণৱ ধৰ্মৰ জৰিয়তে যে এটা নিৰ্মল ভকতি আছে, এটা নিষ্কাম ভকতি আছে, সেই কথাটোৱে তেওঁক আকৰ্ষিত কৰিছে। আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ নতুন প্ৰজন্ময়ো অনাগত দিনত এই ধৰণে আগবাঢ়ি যাব।
Learning and coming to accept this particular tradition. Why? Because of many reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is because it's quite open, actually. Even though it's not so famous in the world, almost nobody knows actually about it. But if you approach it, it's very open and it's egalitarian, so it is okay for anyone to join if somebody wants to. And some Hindu traditions, unfortunately, are not that open. But this tradition is very open, and also it fits for simple people. So you don't have to be a very, very spiritually developed person to be able to practice and to incorporate it in your own life. Because there are some other very, very distinguished Hindu traditions, but they require you to be a very, very super developed spiritually person, which unfortunately I am not, if I understand myself correctly. And so, but for Ekasharan Nam Dharma is for simple people also, they can join. So this is a very, very special. And there are some other reasons that I really am attracted to this form of Vaishnava and chanting the Nam as the main and basically the only practice. Yeah, the real practice is chanting the Nam and total surrender to God, to Krishna. So this is a very, very, that feeling of complete surrender, Ekasharana, yeah? Just one, in Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam, that is the main thing, that you have to fully surrender just to one God. And this is very special. So all this combination helped me to come to this tradition, and it wouldn't be possible without Dr. Sanjeev Barkakoti. It's only because of his help it could happen at all. So I'm deeply, deeply grateful to him and to everyone here who so kindly welcomed me, and I'm really, really very grateful for all this.
Have you ever practiced Nam, Borgit, etc. of Shankar Sanskrit?
Yeah, well, just a bit, because without getting the Sharana, you can't have the job real, the work. Yeah, so I just was like just practicing without really knowing what is the correct way to practice. But
your name and your family.
You mean my official name, yeah, or now the new Hindu name? Both. So my name is Edgar Feingoor. And my new Hindu name is Krishna Sharan Bhagat.
About your family, please.
Yes, my wife is actually from Nepal. So because I lived in Nepal and I studied Buddhism there for many years, and I married there. And we have a son. He is 13 and a half years old, and we live in Israel. My parents are still in Russia.
Your profession?
Right now I teach English as my main profession, but originally
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয়
সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰ।